I will park here this Rana car. Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel with a new interesting video. Friends, today I have many color combination and different types of 7 toy vehicles I parked here. All are nice and beautiful color combinations. So friends, now I will hand drive one by one all of this with my hand. At first is a Motu Paltu Stricker Covered van. Oh friends, at first I parked here this Sakib cover van. This is a yellow, black, blue and silver color combination. This nice realistic model Sakib cover van, and here is also Motu Paltu sticker. Next one is here a power Beko. I parked here this power Beko beside this cover van. See, this is a realistic model plastic power Beko. This is a yellow and black color combination. Now I will drive this police bike with a police. I parked here this police bike with a police. This is a red, white and blue color combination. This police bike with a police. This one is a military tanker. So let's go. I parked here this military tanker beside this police bike with a police. This is a very nice and realistic model military tanker. This is a green, black and red color combination, this tanker. And you can see friend, one by one already 4 vehicles hand arrived and introduced with you. Now I will drive this runner car. Oh, I will park here this Rana car. This is a very nice cartoony model car. You can see this is a red, white and black color combination. Next one is here a 911 emergency police helicopter. Oh friends, I parked here this helicopter. This is a realistic model helicopter. You can see this is a white, blue and black color combination, this emergency helicopter. And last one is here a heavy duty Feluder. So I will try this one also. I also parked here this heavy duty Feluder beside this helicopter. This is a realistic model Feluder, and you can see this is red, black and silver color combination, this Feluder. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand driven and introduced with you. All are nice and beautiful color combinations. So now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination vehicles.